Okay, welcome to Forex Trading for Beginners Lesson 2. In the previous lesson we talked about how to open a trade, how to place a trade, pip movement, pip value, etc. So if you would like to see that, go back and watch video 1 or lesson 1 I think it's called. Anyway, so today, this video, we're going to talk about candlesticks and how price is displayed on a price chart. Here we have a price chart. We are on tradingview.com. Very good platform. It's free, and there also is a pro package, I think it's $30 a month. Excellent for doing analysis. Okay, so candlesticks. The candlesticks is how price is displayed on a price chart. There are other methods of displaying it. There are bars, there's a line graph, which you will find up here in this section. But candlesticks is the most popular way of displaying price in Forex trading. So it's a good place to start and how to learn how to read a price chart. So if we look at this red candle here, if we look at this arrow, okay, this arrow right here. So I was pointing to the top of the body. This is where this candle opened. This candle opened at this point here, which is, if we look to the right, is 113.36, and the little wick, if you can notice the wick of the candle, if I just zoom in a little bit more, there is a wick on the candle here. This represents this candle's highest point. This is where its high was at 11354. Then, because this candle is red, this is what's called a bearish candle, which means its primary strength was downward movement. So if we go down to the bottom here, the lowest point of this candle is its lowest wick. Its low was 11097, and that candle closed out at 11106. Okay, so the next candle to the right opened at where the previous candle closed. That's how they work, that's how they operate. The next candle will always open at where the previous candle closed. The point is, it could either be a green candle or a red candle. A green candle is a bullish candle. A red candle is a bearish candle. Now, if we look at where this candle opened, it was bullish when it opened because it had a high wick up here of, if we look to the right again, it's 11136. But then its primary strength switched to bearish again, and it mainly fell, and its low was 109.94, and it closed at 110.11. And the next candle to the right opened at where the previous candle closed. It fell a little bit and changed, and its primary direction was upward, which means it's bullish. It had a high and it closed out at 110.56. So that is the theory of candlesticks. That is how price is represented on a chart. Red candles mean downward movement, green candles mean upward movement. Bearish is the term for downward movement, bullish is the term for upward movement. Also, other terminologies that are commonly used in Forex trading would be long. Long means you're taking a buy position, you want to go long upward. Short means you are taking a selling position, which means you believe the market is going to go downward. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we are on the daily time frame. So I'm just going to get rid of these arrows for a second. So what I mean by that is each one of these candles represents a full 24 hours of trading time, trading activity. As we look up here, we're on the daily time frame. So I'm going to change down to the next most popular traded time frame, would be the 4 hour, the 240-minute time frame. So now each one of these candles represents 4 hours worth of trading activity. Okay, easy enough. So I'm now going to go down to the next time frame, which would be the 60-minute time frame. So now each one of these candles represents 60 minutes worth of trading activity, and so on with the next popular one. Okay, so that is basic understanding of how candlesticks work. So basically, candlesticks display price on, or a method of displaying price action on a price chart. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. So if you do me a favor, if you like it, hit the like button if you're watching on YouTube, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, YouTube page, and there will be a link to the website coming along shortly where you can click through and view other videos. And watch out for our next video where I'm going to cover a bit on how to analyze price and decide on a trading opportunity. So once again, thank you for watching.